Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reuse your old sari and make beautiful dresses out of it. So before any further delay, let's get started. So this is the sari I have used for making this lehenga. So it's very easy to make. You can easily make this lehenga in your home. What I did, I just cutted the pallu portion of the sari, and by the rest of the sari I made this lehenga. After cutting the pallu portion, I started making small plaits with the rest of the sari and then stitched it. And after all the stitching, I placed the border in the upper portion of the lehenga and then again stitched it. And here it is. You can see the cloth is very transparent and it's in a net fabric actually, and I didn't use any extra lining or cloth inside the lehenga. So here I used a hat. I wear a white petticoat inside the lehenga, and here how it looks. So guys, if you like my videos, then please give a thumbs up, and for more videos subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Bye bye.